Well, good morning. Welcome back to another weekend. So today we are going to fix one of the worst issues about the Bronco. Let me show you. Oh, did you miss it? Oh, no good, no good. We're going to fix that today. Stick around. So if you know, you know, and I'm sure most of you early Bronco owners already know this, but in case you don't, let me go over this real quick. The Bronco has frameless windows. Again, I'm sure most of you know this. There is no metal frame around this window. So what it has to do is bump up against this weather stripping when the door is closed so no air, water, whatever leaks into the window. But obviously, since it's butted up against this weather stripping, it needs to clear it when you open the door. To achieve this, when you pull the door handle, the window nudges down a little bit, right? Makes sense. Really good design. Like, excellent stuff. But here's the problem. That little nudge down is not instant. So if I pull this door handle, it takes a little second for that to nudge down. Just a split second. It's not long at all, but just enough to cause problems. Now, myself, as the owner of this Bronco, and I'm sure many of you other Bronco owners out there, have worked around this issue. So what I do, personally, is I push my thumb against the door so the door stays closed as I open the door handle. That gives the window enough time to nudge down before I completely open the door, right? So I've worked around the issue. Like, I've trained myself to work around this issue. But the problem is nobody else cares. They just don't. But if you're like my firstborn, hello firstborn, I know you occasionally watch these videos, which is scary. But if you're like my kids, you go, oh my God, we're going to the beach. Boing. Oh, see, I can't even do it because it makes me cringe so much. Oh, God. Okay. You do that, and that, ugh. So what has happened is especially my front window, they're all at various states, but especially the window, well, the one that gets used the most because I'm driving. This window has gotten really loose. You can definitely, on the front especially, it's gotten pretty loose. So now you can take apart the door and you can tighten some things up to make that a little bit more rigid, but it can't be good for the window, and it also can't be good for this weather stripping. Like, it's okay right now, but over time I'm sure that's going to wear out and it's just going to get bad. But Ford fixed it. So I was perusing Bronco 6G like I basically do every day because I'm addicted. But anyway, I was on Bronco 6G, and apparently if you have a late 2023 or 2024, when you hit the unlock button, it will automatically nudge down all of the windows all around the vehicle. So yeah, you don't run into that problem. So all you got to do is just hit the unlock button before you get in the vehicle, and it will automatically nudge down the windows for a period of time until you start driving. That's awesome. So what's responsible for the operation of these windows? Well, that is the DDM and PDM. Driver door module, passenger door module. It's just a software update. You just got to install a software update. Hence the scan tool and the laptop. Let's go. Fresh battery loaded in the camera. Let's do this. You know what? I kind of want a table that's not for midgets. Hey, look, a table. I found a table. Oh, snow. Oh, dang it. I am a genius. So to make this happen, you need a tool called FDRS. This is the Ford Diagnostic and Repair System. It is the official dealership tool that Ford uses, and yes, you can use it. I know one of the questions is going to be, can I use ForScan? No, you cannot use ForScan. It's got to be FDRS. Okay, let's dig in. Now, oh, by the way, if you need to know how to get FDRS and how to set it up, I got a video on that. Check that out. But this assumes that you've already been through that process. All right, so let's go. Where's my mouse? There it is. Oh, I gotta turn it on. All right, round two. Bosch, yes, click. Read from vehicle. Cool. We are in. Go. Now we wait. And we wait. And we wait. And wait some more. Is it done yet? Oh, it's done. Woohoo! Awesome. All right. I went and got some water. The one thing you should know about FDRS, it is not the world's fastest software. So, patience. So, what do we got? Oh, my audio control module is yelling at me again. Anyway, figure that out later. So, we want to go to the toolbox. And in the toolbox, we want to go to software updates. Now, you will see a list of software updates. And I know some of you are going to be tempted to just update everything. Don't. Not update everything. Generally speaking, in FDRS, you should only update if you have a reason to update. If you don't have a reason to update, don't touch it. Got it? Okay. So we want to do the DDM first. Driver door module. Let's hit download. DDM is downloaded, and we'll hit run. And now we just basically follow the instructions. It's really that simple. It's not hard stuff at all. Time to go do something else while it does this thing. Ooh, it failed. Why did it fail? Maybe it's because I have the driver door open. I don't know. Let's try the passenger side. Oh, I know why it failed. It's because I couldn't download the software update from the Ford servers because it wants me to log in again. All right. Before commencing to this procedure, connect the vehicle to external power. Yes, indeed, we did that. Do not disconnect any blah, 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 blah. Yes, we did that. Yes. Go. Turn ignition to on, engine off. Already done. Okay. Now we wait. Almost there. Almost there. Can it do it? Let's go. Oh, just kidding. It's got to start over again. Doo-doo-doo. All right, I just heard the Bronco do its chime, so it probably just rebooted. Yeah. Yeah, it's doing its thing. We're good. Ignition to off. No problem, Bob. I can do that. Application finished. Press OK to continue. Okay, so now that we're done with that, let's go ahead and rerun the network test to make sure that the PDM doesn't complain about anything, and then if all looks good, we'll do the driver side again. DTC's 4 days. All right, we got a bunch of errors, but none of them are the driver door module. So we'll go ahead and run the update on the driver door module again. And now we wait yet again. And well, that's all she wrote. So let's try it out. All right, we're running. Everything's good. No check engine lights on the dash. I still got a bunch of DTCs inside of FDRS, but this happens every time you program a module. When you program a module, they lose communication with each other for a second, and the whole thing freaks out. So usually all you got to do is go in and clear all the DTCs, and then everything's good. But I'll go ahead and do my due diligence, make sure everything works properly, and then we'll give it a shot. Except now the sun is blasting in my computer screen, and there's no way I'm going to be able to read any of it. So we'll just move my stand-up desk real quick. I'm telling you guys, trash cans make great stand-up desks. They're on wheels, perfect height, and they're included with your trash pickup subscription. Can't get much better than that. All right, let's see if we're still upset. It's a lot of waiting. Oh, we're done. And we're still angry. Okay, so let's go over here. I can't click. Oh, there we go. What do we got? Lost communication, lost communication, lost communication, lost communication. Where's the ACM? I want to see what the ACM says. It's complaining about my speakers. That may be because of my aftermarket upgrades. I don't know. Anyway, clear and retest. Ooh, all happy. Greens across the board. All right, let's go back in here. Greens across the board, just to be extra sure. Let's rerun another network test, but I think we'll be good. Are we done? Oh, we're done. Woohoo! All greens. Good stuff. Let's give it a shot. Go ahead and disconnect our scan tool. Yep. Oh, I'm sorry. It's okay. And then we'll turn that off. Get out of the vehicle. Key. Need my key. No. Oh, there it is. All right, the moment. Whoa, hi, son. The moment of truth has arrived. All right, let's go check it out. So, passenger side, we got our key fob. All right, look at that. Lock it, goes up, unlock it, rolls down. Sweet. Okay, let's go check the driver's side. Again, we have to check both sides because the passenger side module does the passenger side doors, both the front and the rear. The driver's side module does the driver's side doors. One last check. Oh, sweet. Cool. So now the question I have is if I unlock it and then I leave it unlocked, does it eventually go back up? Because if I unlock it and the windows pop down and I forget to lock it and like rain gets in there, that's gonna suck. So let's just hang out for a second here and see if they go back up. Maybe they don't. Oh, they do. Oh, sweet. That's awesome. They thought of that. Dang, I'm impressed. But wait, did they do the proximity locks too? Let's see. Unlock. Nope. Lock. Unlock. Nope, doesn't look like it. So locked right now. Unlock. Lock. Unlock. Yeah, it doesn't work. That's unfortunate. But like, I'm not complaining at all. Like this long, like watch this. Watch this. Oh, that alone, good stuff. Well, that's it. So, you know, I gotta give a huge shout out to Ford on this one. They nailed it. Not only did they fix the issue on vehicles rolling off the assembly line today, they also made the update available to previous Bronco owners. And you know, you can't ask for much more than that. So thank you, Ford. I really do appreciate it. If you want this yourself, if you want it on your Bronco and you don't want to go through the hassle of FDRS, if you saw my previous video, you will know that there's the equipment to get into it is not exactly that economical. So if you rather not deal with that yourself, take it to your dealer. They'll be happy to do it. They're probably going to charge you, I mean, I don't know. It's going to depend on your dealer, right? But they'll probably charge you an hour's worth of labor, which runs from anywhere between 80 to 150 bucks, but give them a call and see what they say. You can also contact me, Bronco Nation, Bronco 6G, and the Ford Bronco subreddit Discord server. Ask me whatever. I will answer your questions. But that's going to be all for now. Thank you for watching. Have a good week. Bye. Oh, wet. Okay. Hi. Welcome back to another rainy weekend. So I originally intended to show you how to fix all that wobbly window problem on the Bronco, but you know what? Rain. Yeah, more rain. So I'm going to link to a video by Northwest Bronco. It's a guy named Brian. He actually has a video that he released about a year or two ago where he shows you how to actually fix that wobble on your window. It's not too bad. You just pop out 2 rubber stops on the bottom of your door, stick a wrench in there, tighten it up. It's pretty easy. So that'll be linked down below. But that's all for now. Hopefully your weekend is better than mine. See you next time.